Hunter, stand up. Come over here a minute. See what they do. Ben keeps dropping.
Ben lives down everywhere. I think he's kind of scared. Where'd he go?
Come here, Ben. You want to go outside? You don't know where, do you? Ben?
Saw the cat in the bowl.
Swamper? Ben? Somebody?
I don't know.
Ben, come here.
I'm used to a door.
Okay, you don't know how to do the dog door, do you? Okay, let's try this door.
I know this
There you go.
Swamper brought it over behind me.